In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 50% off on a ChatGPT subscription using a simple cancel trick that many people overlook. This is a quick, practical method if you only need ChatGPT for a short project, want to reduce your monthly cost, or just want to make sure you're paying for the plan when you actually need it. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The basic idea is very simple. Instead of keeping the subscription running every month, you can subscribe only when you need it, use it for your work, and then cancel when you're done. That way, you avoid paying for extra months you're not using. Now, let me walk you through the exact steps. First, open ChatGPT and click on your profile icon. This is usually in the corner of the screen, and it will open your account options. From there, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Account section. This is where your subscription and billing options are usually managed. Once you're in the account area, click on Manage. This will take you to the part of your account where you can handle your plan details, billing information, and subscription controls. Now, click on Cancel Subscription. This is the key step if you want to stop the recurring charge when you no longer need the service. In many cases, users use this as a smart reminder to only subscribe for 1 month, finish the work they need done, and then cancel before the next billing cycle. That's why this method can feel like getting 50% off overall, because instead of paying continuously, you're only paying for the month that actually matters to you. The best way to use this strategy is to plan ahead. Before you subscribe, make sure you know exactly what you want to complete during that month, whether it's writing, research, content creation, brainstorming, or a big project. Get everything done while your subscription is active. Then, once you've finished, go back and cancel it so you don't get charged again. If you're someone who only uses ChatGPT occasionally, this can be a very useful cost-saving habit. It keeps your spending under control while still letting you access the tools when they're most valuable. Just remember to double-check the cancellation confirmation so you know the subscription is actually turned off. And that's it. A simple way to reduce your ChatGPT subscription cost by using it only when needed, subscribing for 1 month, finishing your work, and then canceling. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.